Hi there guys, this is Tracy here and welcome to my channel ToyBroadway. So today we're going to be having a look at Good Morning Engines. It's a play and sound book, so let's open up and take a look inside. It has been a long, hard day at work and Thomas and Percy are tired. But back at the engine shed, James talks and talks. I've been chosen to do a special early morning run to take passengers to the town of Royal Parade. In the morning the sun rises. Thomas promptly rises too. He also has an important job to do. Thomas needs to deliver the passengers on the branch line to the junction. There, James will pick them up and take them to the town on the main line. But when Thomas gets to the station at the junction, James is not there. He stayed up so late boasting about his special morning run that he's still in the engine fast asleep. "Oh no," says Thomas. He waits and waits but sees no sign of James. "I can't let the passengers be late for the Royal Parade." Thinking fast, Thomas calls over to Percy, who is doing some work at the junction. "If you make half of James's stops and I make the other half, we can get everybody to the town on time," says Thomas. Working together, the two engines deliver all the passengers just before the Royal Parade. That night at the engine shed, Sir Topham Hatt gives James a talking to and his very own alarm clock. But for Thomas and Percy, he has words of praise. "Well done, you two are really useful engines." So there you go then guys, that's Good Morning Engines. Hope you enjoyed this story. Take care, do subscribe and share with your friends on Google+, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.